Oven-baked chicken with cream cheese and spinach for endless energy. Season both sides of the chicken breast with salt, pepper, and oregano. In a large iron skillet, melt 2 teaspoons of butter over medium-high heat. Add the chicken breasts and cook for 23 minutes on each side, just until browned. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, melt the remaining tablespoon of butter. Add the onion, garlic, tomato paste, and oregano. Cook until softened. Slowly add the chicken broth and heavy cream. Stir and simmer for 23 minutes until smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Return the chicken breasts to the pan. Nest the spinach in the space between the chicken. Top with Parmesan cheese and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Serve with fresh parsley.